Well, as you saw, I just got after it. So make a straight line there, and then make this a straight line, and then across here is going to get filled. So then I can put down this piece 4 inches there, 4 inches there. That end is already 4 inches. Over here, because there is a little Z in it, it'll narrow it down. I'll make sure I'm at the right height. So it'll fill it in. Then I'm going to plunk it against my firewall and trace it out. So once I get that done. So if I get this done, maybe tomorrow I'll pull a truck in and I'm going to start hacking the firewall up. Fun, fun, fun. I see I got some little bends and stuff to deal with yet, but yeah, it's I'm not disappointed just in myself, but with the work that's happening here. So it's coffee break time, I think. I don't know. I'm having so much fun here, so see you in a bit. Well, I don't know. Made a mess. Big mess. Woo! And the maid quit. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. So, as you see, my boxing is going very slowly. I'm getting it where I want it. All I've got left is this little bit here to do. It's narrower. And yeah, I kind of fudged that a little bit. I don't know what I was thinking there. I cut too much off. Wrong side of the line, maybe? And you saw how I just grooved these enough that there's still some metal left. It makes a hinge, bend it, and then weld it back together. I like that. It works very nice, makes an easy bend, and it's strong. Very strong. So, in here, the fresh air is going to come in somewhere in here through a duct in the fender. For some reason that's hot. But I've got to block this. So what I'm thinking is somehow scribing a line inside so I get it down here and it's all on one plane. And then I'll just scab something in there. So that's what I'm thinking about for tomorrow and finishing that. And then maybe I can get Studebaker in here. This is a lot of work just for one little piece. I don't know how Dan and Brent do this stuff day in and day out. Holy crap. 4:30. So today is an officially double day. Long day. Time to chill out. Make sure you got nothing to burn. Nah, I'm not going to clean. I'll clean first thing in the morning. And then try and figure out, oh, I know how I'm going to make that line. I got a plan. I'll show you tomorrow. Maybe. Maybe. I think I got it figured. Yeah, okay. So, as always, I'd like to thank you both for watching. The three of us got lots of this done today, so yeah, I'm happy. Take care, and see you tomorrow.